Hmm, what an interesting way to wake up. I normally get up around 5, nothing hard for me. Don't wish it. Leave 6:30, right? Not today. My alarm said, like, 5:30, right? Oh my god, I'm late kind of thing. Get up. It's 2:41 now. I hate my alarm clock. Let's go punch it in the face. Now I have to stay up until 5, because I know if I'll sleep, I won't wake up. So, I'm going to be up forever and grounded with work at school. Oh, joy. Let's have some fun. Look at the Internet Explorer. And tea. Magical tea. I don't know, I've been bored. I'm on my dad's computer. Messing around on his. I don't know what to do, so I came to oh, fancy keyboard. His mouse. There's a ball. Look at this. Look at this shiz. It's like, put that in. Look at the little mouse. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can't see it. Oh well, my point. Okay. I just thought that this was an eventful moment in my little insignificant life. So, I just dropped my phone. Wow.